Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in case if seeing my face first time, my name is Shanayan and I make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you a festive makeup look step by step, and you can create this look on ongoing festives or on upcoming festives. And I'm gonna create something like brown eye makeup look, and also I'm gonna show you a suitable hairstyle. So let's start with the step 1 primer. So for that, take a little bit primer on your hands and then apply on your cheeks and forehead. So step 2 foundation. So firstly apply foundation on all over your face like this, and then blend it out with the makeup brush. You can see how it's nicely blended and looks very flawless. So I use light coverage foundation, but if you like full coverage then you can use full coverage one. So step 3 concealer. Just do 3 lines like this and then blend out with a small sponge, and do the exact same thing on the other side. Just do 3 lines and then blend it out with a small sponge. After the concealer, use loose powder or compact powder to set the concealer and apply it with a small brush like this. And I also like to apply powder on my face, so I'm just applying little bit with a fluffy brush. So now next step is brows. So for brows, I like to use brow pencil. So firstly brush your brows upwards like this with a spoolie, and then just fill your brows. Then take a concealer on a brush and shape your brows like this. So now let's move on to the eyes. So for eyes, I'm going to use this Revolution eyeshadow palette. So firstly I'm taking this light brown shade and applying all over my eyelids, and I'm also applying on my lower lash lines. After that, take a dark brown shade and apply on the crease like this. And also apply the same shade on your lower lash lines. So you can see eye makeup look little simple, so I'm going to use glitter eyeshadow. Today I'm going to use a liquid eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this NY Bay liquid eyeshadow. Liquid eyeshadows always looks beautiful on the eyes, and you can create a different looks with the only one product. So right now I have these 3 shades: Brown Moonstone 05, Blue Sapphire 06 and Maroon Topaz 02. So you can see the colors are very pretty and they are highly pigmented and long lasting. So today I'm going to use this shade called Brown Moonstone 05. So firstly I like to apply this NY Bay liquid eyeshadow on my lid like this. Then I like to blend it out little bit with the eyeshadow brush like this. And then I do the exact same thing on the other side. So you can see it's applied really easily and looks really beautiful. And I also like to apply under my lower lash lines. So I'm taking this on my brush and applying on my lower lash lines. So you can see eye makeup looks really beautiful. You can create this kind of eye makeup look really easily. It's really effortless and looks really pretty. This liquid eyeshadows are very affordable and it's only at $2.99, and you can also get this at just $9 on Purpose Diwali sale, which is from 7th to 15th October. And if you want to check out this NY Bay liquid eyeshadows, then I leave links in the description box below, so check out there. So in the next step, apply liner on your lower waterlines and upper waterlines. And after that, curl your lashes and apply mascara on your upper lashes and lower lashes. You can also apply falsies if you want to. So I don't like to contour my face, so I'm just applying little bit bronzer. But you can contour your face if you want to. So blush, I'm going to use this pink one, and I'm just applying on my cheeks like this, just a little bit. So for the highlight my face, I'm using this highlighter from the same palette, and I'm just applying on my brow bones, cheekbones and chin. And for the lipstick, choose light reddish or light pinkish color and go for the matte one. And then lastly set the makeup with the setting spray. And yeah, makeup is done now, and you can see it looks so beautiful, and I think this look is just perfect for the festive. So try out this look this festives and let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. For the hairstyle, take out some flakes from the front like this, and then take a section from the crown area like this and secure it with the rubber band. After that, take a section from the right side, twist it like this, and then secure it with the bob pins. After that, do the exact same thing on the other side. Take a section and then twist that section and secure it with the bob pins. So you can see it's very easy hairstyle and looks very beautiful with this makeup look. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.